Do you remember this guy? Right, this is Berenice Gabrielli. And he might be stronger than you think. After he was killed by Kenpachi Zaraki in the first invasion, we are left with many questions. And guess what is his ability? The Q Shrift, the question. If Berenice had proper scream time, there'd be less questions to be answered. Like, what does he sound like? Is he a guy or a girl? How would it go if Jerome didn't destroy Kenpachi's eardrum first? How does his ability work? We got a reply to the last question in Club Outside, but it only produced more questions. How fucked up are the Shinigami if it wasn't Kenpachi who came from the battle with Jerome, by the way? Who faced him? Who would actually be a good counter for him? Will somebody smart like Urahara, Mayuri, Jin, or Aizen fall victim, or can they triumph against him? Will he be useful against Quad Zero? What may it look like being affected by it? Why are Bernice, Lloyd, and Jerome teaming up against Kenpachi in the first place? Are they friends or did they just happen to target him? See? If they showed an actual screen time for him, perhaps half of those questions can be answered. But we only got two, and they're both in the Blu-ray. However, having almost no screen time saved us, the viewers, for having too much questions and thus be affected by its ability. That's why I think his ability transcends the three realms, the three worlds, and it even arrived at ours, providing more and more questions that will never be answered just by how irrelevant he is.